Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can share threads on Instagram story. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now to start, go to your Threads app. Here you can see many threads posts from your friends and followers. Now to share threads, just tap on the share icon at the bottom of the post. And here you can see different options on how you can share this thread post. For example, you can add this to your story or to post to feed or copy the link. Just tap on add to story to add this post to your Instagram story. And for example, you want to share your own threads post, just tap on your post and then again, just tap on the share icon and then tap on add to story. It will then automatically add to your Instagram story. It is now added to your Instagram story. You can now edit or add a text right here. And that's it. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.